Hello children, very good morning to you all. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe. Safe? What do you mean by safe? Yes, safe means providing protection from harm, loss or danger, or being free from danger. We may get hurt or injured if we are not careful at times. So to avoid such injuries or accidents, we should follow certain safety rules. Safety rules should be followed at home, at school, on the road, on the playground. Actually, it should be followed everywhere. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about safety and some safety rules that we should follow everywhere. Now first let's see what are the safety rules that we should follow at home.
Be alert, be safe. Look at Zaya. She has cut her finger trying to sharpen a pencil with a blade. Is it right to sharpen a pencil using a blade or a knife? If you want to sharpen your pencil, can you tell which of the instrument is the safest to use? Accidents happen because of our carelessness and that of others around us. Safety in the house. Look at Tina. She is not doing the right thing. Someone spilled water on the floor and forgot to wipe it. Look what happens to the person who did not know this. Rahul is trying to take out the toast which he has got stuck on the toaster. He is trying to pull it out. What do you think can happen? What should he do first? See the nails, the saw and the screwdriver lying on the floor. What might happen when someone stumbles on these? Little Ria is pulling at her mother's sari while she is cooking. Is it right? What do you think might happen? So children, here are some safety rules to be followed at home. Never leave objects like nails, scissors, toys or balls lying on the floor or on the staircase. Someone might get hurt and trip and fall. Never handle any electrical instruments which is not working properly without first switching it off. Never go near fire unless there is an adult present. Do not distract your mother or any other person while he or she is cooking. If you have to use a stool to reach a high shelf, see that the stool is of the right height. It should be strong and sturdy. If water spills on the floor, it should be wiped off immediately to prevent someone from slipping on it. Do not take any medicine on your own without consulting a doctor. Do not fly kites on an open terrace or burst crackers near electrical poles or wires. Do not play with candles or matchsticks. Do not play with sharp objects like scissors, knife, etc. You might injure yourself.
Home is a place where people feel safe and comfortable. But there should be constant awareness to keep ourselves safe. I think now you are aware about the safety rules that we should follow at home. Thus, we create a safe environment at home. Thank you.